Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we'll be revealing the teaser of upcoming project by Ramki Developers, which is located on Samshabad Main Road in Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. And we will be revealing the teaser of this project, and in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let's check the surrounding of the project. So as you can see, I'm on the main site and this is the land parcel of the project and where the construction work will start very soon. And just before the land parcel, this is the work going on of the sales office, that is the marketing office of this project. And now let me show you the main road of the year. So this is the Samshabad main road. Now let me tell you that on the right hand side you will connect towards the airport and on the left hand side you will connect towards Mehedipatnam. Now let's discuss about the project overview. So this project is coming up in total 8 acres of land parcel, in which they are coming up with only 4 towers, with each tower of 3 basement ground plus 30 floors. And in this project they are coming up with 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 4 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residencies. Additionally, only 724 unit in this project, so you can see that this is very low density project. Now coming to the location part, this project is located on Samshabad Main Road, Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. So let me show you the connectivity. So this is the Samshabad Main Road, and over this side, this road takes you towards Mehedipatnam, and in opposite side, it takes you towards the international airport. So the international airport comes in 10 minutes. Now let me tell you about the main connectivity and the landmarks. ORR exit 16 is just 5 minutes away from the project. Trident Hospital is 8 minutes away. With Solitaire Global School is 20 minutes away, and upcoming metro station is 15 minutes away from the project. Now coming to the amenities part, this project has 50 plus luxurious amenities like of massive clubhouse of 50,000 square feet. Infinity pool, space of art fitness arena, landscape garden, open space, banquet hall and many more. Now coming to the super built up area. So as mentioned, this project is 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 4 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residencies with 3 BHK of 2290 square feet, 3.5 BHK of 2875 square feet, 4 BHK of 3350 square feet, 4.5 BHK of 4100 square feet, super built up area. Now coming to the booking process. So EOI window is open now. Clients are invited to our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme, and we'll show you the actual location with the actual land parcel of the project. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI. And the EOI amount is 5 lakh rupees, which is non-bankable. So everyone, this was a teaser of Ramki Developers' upcoming project, which is located in Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.